Right, so today we still have to go through these few questions. Then later we'll do a bit of Kahoot. Then after that, we'll jump into some extra questions. All right. So the plan for today is like that. Okay, let's take a look at the very first question. Yes. All right, this is the extra exam question, just for fun. All right, your exam is over already. Oh, the worksheet is quite similar to last week. Last week one is more on the MCQ. Right, Kayla. Last week one is more on the MCQ and structured. Right, but today one is more on the problem sums. All right, so it's not very the same. All right, it's not the same. All right, so this paper, right, is we focus on something called paper 2. Paper 2 is more about word problems. Paper 1 is more about MCQ and short answer. Yeah. All right, so it's different. All right, in terms of the question, right, in terms of the question, you might find it similar. How come? Because you have been practicing so much already. You're so good. All right, you're so powerful.
I received my exam results. I got 90%.
Oh, that's very good. Wow, that's very, very good. Good job, Caleb. All right. The rest, if you know your scores, right, you can actually go to the chat and key in your scores. At least let me know. All right, I'll be happy to know. All right. So if you can go to the chat and key in your score, that would be great. All right. If not, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, come. This extra exam question, can you please try? Yes, Caleb, I saw your score. Thank you. And that is a very good score. Good job. All right, but I was expecting 100%. Yeah, primary 3 and primary 4 can get 101. So I was expecting 100%. Seriously. Okay? So if you can get 100, right, it's very, very common. All right. I believe some of your classmates also got 100 marks, right? So how come the classmate is not you, leh? All right. Ruben, not bad. Ruben, not bad. That is close to AL3, I think. All right. AL3, AL2. Not bad, not bad. All right. But again, try to aim high. Primary 3, primary 4, you can do it one. Ruben, I think you are very smart. It's just that you got a bit of careless mistake here and there. All right. So you are actually very good. Once you get rid of the careless mistake, Ruben, I tell you, you can be super powerful. All right. You can be a very, very powerful math person. All right, Ruben. All right, come. Can we look at this extra exam question first? One question. You're supposed to write a 3-digit number. The sum of all the digits must add up to 26. Give 2 possible numbers that Mrs. Lin could have written. So what can the 3-digit number be? Anyone? Just try for fun. All right, go to the chat and write it out. 3-digit number. All right, so there's a few possibility. There's a few possibility, I believe. All right, anyone? Go to the chat and key in the answer, your answer. Well, today is an all-boys team, man. Woohoo! Nice. Sorry, I get excited easily. All right, go to the chat and key in some of your answer, please. Mrs. Lin wrote a 3-digit number on a card. The sum of all the digits was 26, which means that this particular number plus this particular number plus this particular number must give you a 26. Give 2 possible numbers that Mrs. Lin could have written. There's a lot of possibility, right? I think there's quite a number of possibility. All right, so you must think of what plus what plus what give you 26. Anyone? Go to the chat and write it down your answer, please. Hello? Hey, everybody slack already. Nobody want to do. 8, okay. Okay, let's say one of the number can be an 8. Possible, possible. What else? So 8 plus what must give you 26. I think one of the number is 8, correct? I think so. What else? Can it be another 8? All right, but if 8 plus 8, right? 8 plus 8 will give you a 16 already. That means, right, this one will be a 10. Cannot be, cannot be. It cannot be a 10. All right, because they are considered like one digit number, one. All right, they are considered one digit number, right? They are supposed to be, you know, one by one, right? Correct. So it must be a 9, smart. Okay, so let's say one of the number is a 8, the other number is a 9, and the next number will be a what? 8 plus 9 is a 17. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. It must be another 9. Can you see that? It must be another 9 in order to give you a 26. All right, so this is a one digit number, one digit number, one digit number. So this is like the possibility, right? So, give two possible numbers that Mrs. Ling could have written. So down here, right, the answer could be, it could be 899, possible? All right, it could be what? It could be what? It could be 898, right? Oh, so no, it cannot be 898, sorry. It can be 989. So these are the possible number, huh? You have to play with these three numbers. Or. Still got what? Still got what? All right, one more possibility,
998.
anyone? Yes, Ruben, I saw your answer. 998. Smart boy. 998. Also can. Any more suggestion? Any more suggestion? No. All right, so you got three possibility. You got three possibility. All you got to do is to show two of the possible answers will do. All right, 2. So I show these 2. Can you see not? 999 cannot, Caleb. All right, yours me 9999 with 8 cannot. All right, it must be what? It must be this 3 digit 8, 9, and 9. Can? Okay. So this is the extra exam question. Some schools are asking. It's quite interesting. All right, you have to think a little bit. All right, it's math still, but it's a little bit about permutation. All right, just the meaning of what's the meaning of permutation. You all know what's the meaning of permutation? It's like the different outcomes. So for example, right, you got like 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. What are the different permutation? You can even write things like 3, 2, 1. All right, you can write things like 1, 3, 2. All right, you can write things like 2, 2, 1, 3. 2, 3, 1. You know, can you see not? So these are actually the permutation of 1, 2, 3. You can have 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Can you see? So these are the total different outcomes that we can have. Different outcomes. Right, you see? That's the reason why you still attend lessons. Right, because there's still a lot of things to be covered. Right, different outcomes from these 3 numbers. Can you see that? Can? All right, very good. All right, let's move into the next portion. All right, let's move into the next portion, all right, of the worksheet. Let's go. Oh, this question is talking about Joseph. All right, so I believe that only a couple of you did your homework. All right, so those who haven't do, right, you can actually take a look at this question. So Joseph put 441 stickers equally into 7 albums. Equally means what? Every album got the same number, right? Which means what? Mostly must do what? Mostly must do division. All right, are you comfortable with division already? Are you comfortable with division? You should be. All right, you should be comfortable. How many stickers are there in each album? All right, how many stickers are there in one album? Can you see? 1. All right, so you are supposed to do your division. 441 stickers. You are supposed to distribute among the 7 different albums so that each album will have the same number of stickers. All right, so please be very comfortable to do your division. 7 times 6 is 42. All right, there will be a remainder of 2, bring down the 1. 7 times 3 will give you a 21. And your answer will be 63. All right, just to let you know that this is called the what? This is called the quotient. All right, this is called a quotient when you do your division. All right, so next time you'll be introduced this word, quotient. Quotient is like the answer. Yes, Ruben, I saw your 63. Thank you so much. You are good, very good. All right, as I say, you're very good. Right, just that sometimes your carelessness comes in. It's very scary. Oh, children, remember, right? Carelessness is a disease, right? Try to get rid of this disease. All right, and you'll become a perfect math apprentice. Okay. Okay, so question 1 done. Let's look at the next question. Question 2 is about Max. Okay, so Max cut a pie into 12 equal pieces. Andy took 3 pieces of the pie. Lily took 5 pieces. And Tom took 1 piece. Aya, what fraction of the pie was left? All right, come. Try this question. All right. Kayla and who's that? Ruben, right? Because Caleb actually participated in the worksheet already. Max cut a pie into 12 equal pieces. All right, so sometimes, right, you can even draw a model. All right, you can draw a model. So down here we have 12, means that 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. All right, so you got 12 equal pieces. Andy took 3 pieces of the pie. Oh, this is for Andy. Andy. Lily took 5 pieces. Lily. And Tom took 1 piece. Tom. What fraction of the pie was left? So where is the left? This portion is considered the left. You got 3 pieces out of the how many there is left. All right, so remember as a fraction, right? Remember when they say as a fraction, right? What must you do? As a fraction, right, the denominator is always like the total equal pieces. Right, the total equal pieces. According to the question, they say what fraction of the pie? What fraction of the total pie? All right, so the total pie represents how many parts? The 12 equal parts. Can you see? And the important down here is they're looking for what is left. All right, so the left is down here. The one on top is the left. How many are there? 1, 2, 3 is left. Can you see that? But that's not the answer. Yes, Kayla, your answer is correct. Ruben, your answer is correct. Wow, you never give me 3 over 12, but you gave me as the simplest form. Excellent. So 3 and 12 belongs to the 3 time table. Divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is a 1. 12 divided by 3 is a 4. And this will be your answer. Beautiful, Caleb, Ruben, and Kayla. Very good. All right, all your answers are correct. Good job. So proud of you guys. All right, so when you go to primary 4, right, whoa, things will be so much easier. All right, so much confident in you. Okay, next question number. Oh, this is an extra question. All right, this is an extra question. All right, can you try? Can all of you try? Right, including the Caleb. Caleb, are you there? Can you please try this? All right, this is not in the worksheet. All right, this is not in the worksheet. Arrange the fractions in order, beginning with the greatest. Who is the greatest? Who is the greatest? Oh, Caleb, I saw your answer. Oh, the worksheet I did wasn't this worksheet. Oh no. Oh, no wonder, is it, Caleb? That's why you think that the worksheet this week and last week the same. You went into the wrong lesson or not? Oh no, then what happened? Right, because Kayla, I never see your entry also. Right, I never see your entry. Right, there might be some communication in the worksheet part. Right, don't worry. You can actually do it right now. Don't worry. Caleb, I saw your answer. Your answer is actually correct. Good job. Wow. Right. Caleb, your answer is correct. Good job. All right, so usually how I do this,